Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to show you these colored UV resin by Lightwish, and these are their Diamond Glitter UV Resin. It comes in set of 8 colors and you get 50 ml of 8 bottles. So let's open the box. And this is how the bottle looks like, and I'm going to open them all. This is the mold that I'm going to try these UV resin with. So this mold is by Into Resin, and this is really a fun mold. It is actually rings that you can make, and these are the designs, and these are the sizes for the ring blanks, and the sizes are written. And the fun thing about these is that you use spinners on top of it, and you actually, when you're making the top, you can spin them. So that is the fun element. Now I'm going to make the blanks, and I'm just selecting the colors which I will be going for. So this UV resin contains some big and small glitter. So when you're using it, I recommend to mix it properly before using it. So as I explained that I'm making the ring blanks. So you can use the normal epoxy resin. It's no issue. I'm just trying this UV resin with this mold. I'm going to do a little bit of tapping so that the resin reaches all the areas and fill up the ring blank. And then I'm going to top this again. Very carefully, I'm going to use the tip of the toothpick just to see that it is filled properly. I don't get any air bubbles. That's what I'm doing here. And this will go under the UV lamp to cure. And now I'm going to make some tops. So there are a lot of designs. It's up to you, whatever design you want to make. So again, I'm going to select the color that I'm going for. So many color possibilities. I will be going with a little bit of orange and then a little bit of red. So other than that, if you're making, if you don't want to make rings, you can make earrings also without using the spinners, or you can use pendants. So it is really a fun skit for making the jewelry. And after making the flower, I'm going to make this star also. So meanwhile, those tops are curing, I'm going to make another ring blank, and this time I'm going to use the color that is, you can see, a mixed glitter, silver, opal sort of resin. And here we go. I'm going to fill that up the same way that I made the green. And after that, I will cure it under the UV lamp. So the ring blanks are curing now, and I'm going to remove this. You can see how lovely the glitter is sparkling. So this is how the starfish turned out. You get a lovely starfish, and then this is the flower. Here we go. And now it's time to remove the ring blanks out of the mold. Just a little bit of sanding for the edges, and that's it. And it is cured really well. You can see that. And that is the other color. It is so sparkly. I'm just loving this shade also. The amount of sparkles in that. And now comes the fun part. It was a bit fiddly because you have to work with tiny things. So these are the spinners. And this is the area where you have to put it. So either you use a glue or you use a UV resin. I am going to use the UV resin. But I'm loving the color of this one. It is so sparkly. And here we go. I'm just checking it if it fits perfectly. And this is the other one. Just going to use some UV resin. So with the help of a toothpick, I'm going to put a little drop of UV resin into the ring, and then I put the spinner inside, and then again I will be doing the same here. And here we go. I'm sorry, it is out of the camera a little bit, but I'm just inserting the spinner inside like this. And after that, you put your starfish or whatever design you want on the top of this, and you can cure it under the UV lamp. I use super glue here for the top part. And here you go, your lovely beautiful ring is done here, and you can do a lot of rings like that. And I did the flower, and here you can see how it is spinning, so amazing. I'm just loving this one, and it's lovely for the kids. Now I thought I'm going to make another kit. This is really fun to make. If you don't want to use the spinners, it's fine, you can make normal rings also. So just thought I'll try some other colors also. So here I'm using the pink color. So I'm inserting the nozzle inside the mold so that the resin fills itself. And same way I will be making the ring. It is super easy. It is not very complicated. You just cure it and then put the spinner inside, and then the top, whatever you want, and your ring is done. So I will link this mold in my description along with the 20% off from Into Resin, so you can treat yourself. And here we go, it is cured. And I decided to put a heart on top of this. With UV resin, you can make things so fast that is perfect for giving last minute gifts also. So in this way, you can make gifts for your friends. And again, I'm making a ring blank. This time I'm not going to use any spinner, so just a simple ring. So again, I'm going to fill this up. So I really love the mold that are a bit on the creative side, so you can have fun with them. So the spinners in this mold is such a lovely element. And here we go. I will cure this under the UV lamp. And I have a very fun thing to add to this. I'm just going to show you just in a moment. I'm going to tap this so that the resin reaches everywhere. I'm just seeing from the back that I don't have any air bubble because this is a transparent mold and I can see that. So these are some things you just need to take care of. And I'm just trying to remove some extra resin from the outside just for myself, so I don't have to work a lot after removing the ring out of the mold. Just like this, just kneading up the edges. Because I have made few of the rings, so now I know a little bit about that what I have to do just to make a perfect blank. And here we go, it is going under the UV lamp. And for the fun element, I'm just showing you what I'm going to put on the top. So these are the crystals. Again, this mold is from Into Resin. It is a lovely crystal mold. I'm just going to show you a mold that I had filled with my leftover resin. What sort of crystal mold is that? And if you are into making heavy jewelry or big chunky statement pieces, you can use this whole crystal as a ring top. Just going to take a little bit of time, but it's fine. It's going to come out, and this is how it looks like. Such a lovely. I use a little bit hint of interference pigment inside the crystal. This is how it's looking like. I made one before that, and I broke it just to take a little piece of the crystal that I want to put on the top of the ring blank. I'm just telling you that I just cut it, and this is the one that I'm going to put on top. I use some cellophane paper or the aura film inside the crystal. And here we go, it is done now, and I'm going to remove this out of the mold, and the extra resin that you see, just snip that off. It is cured, so it's no difficult. So here we go, these are the basic rings that I made, and here I'm going to do the spinning because it was so fun. And this is the starfish, and I'm going to show you heart one also. And here we go, this is the heart one. It is so cute. So this was today's project. It was really a fun and easy project to make. You just need this mold and then some spinners that comes with the kit, so no need to worry. And you can make lovely rings out of that. You can make a big pendant also that can spin. So maybe I'll try that in a next video. But for now, this is the mold and this is the UV resin, and you have seen how lovely the rings turned out, the glitter, and I'm just loving this resin. I'm going to try some more things with this. I have already done, so I'm going to show you that. So I will put everything in my description. And this is the ring that I just made without any spinner, and I placed the crystal on top of it. So this is such a lovely statement ring here. So there you go. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.